Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add an expansion team in any era within my NBA 2K26. In the first part of this video, I'll show you how to instantly add and play with your expansion team when starting a franchise in the modern era. Then in the second part, I'll go over how to do it if you have already started your my NBA or if you're trying to add one to a different era. So let's jump right into the video. When you start your league, head over to the setup options tile. Highlight it using Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation and just select customize league option and enable that. Once you do that, just get back from this and just hit the start key and you'll see this kind of screen. So here just select this option add new and get into add expansion team. From there you can choose one of the 12 pre-made teams 2K has created, browse through community design teams or build your own custom team from scratch. Now if you have already started your league or wanna add an expansion team to a past era, here's how to do it. Go to front office, then open league expansion. You will see the same options as before. The only difference is that you'll need to simulate the rest of your current season. Once the off season begins and the league meetings are done, the expansion draft will take place and your new season will officially be added. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.